The procedure we perform is called Robotic FUE. It is safer, involves no stitches, and is considerably less painful. Using the same hair from the back of the patient's head, we carefully extract follicles individually through our unique hair transplant robot, instead of strip harvesting or normal FUE, and the scalp remains intact. The robot provides suction-assisted harvesting of grafts for minimal invasion and maximum graft yield. Once the desired quantity of follicles is collected, we then implement the no-touch follicle implantation method, which is only possible with the hair transplant robot. This process involves careful placement of hair follicles into the scalp using a safe and simple delivery technique. The newly transplanted follicles will seamlessly regrow hair in the new area, resulting in a natural-appearing, more full head of hair within 6 months to 1 year. Robotic hair transplantation leaves no linear scar. Robotic hair transplantation leaves no linear scar as traditional strip harvesting. As you can see, the harvest area is undetectable after about 1 to 2 weeks of robotic hair transplantation.